Hey, it's James Nicholson, and I'm just on Route 66 at the moment, and I've just stopped in this place called Wilmington, at this incredible place called the Launching Pad, which you can see here. And these guys had an incredible idea that gets you to partner with other business owners along Route 66. And what they do is they give you this passport, and you get this passport here, and every place that you stop, you get a stamp in the passport. Now, when you do that, you get a reward. And what they're doing is obviously getting a customer in the door, because there's a cost of getting a customer in for any business, whether you market, whether you pay premium rent to be in a prime location, whatever it is, there's something that you do to get your customers in that door. Now, these guys have partnered with lots of people along Route 66, and they're all in this passport, and every single one that you go to, you get a stamp, which means that you're going to want to go to all of them because you want to get all the stamps. Not only that, you get a little gift, maybe a little badge or a pin, they call them out here. At each one, you get cookies, you get all various different free gifts at each and every stop that you get stamped in your passport. But obviously, when you go and stop at these places, there's a good chance that you're going to buy a product or service, a drink, coffee, sandwich, whatever it is. There's a good chance you're going to buy something there, and they're going to get business from that. They've worked that out, right? So what I want you to think about is, how can you make your business fun? How can you partner with other people? Because if you can do that, then you're going to end up making it a real great fun experience and get people coming from all over the country, just like these guys do, to make sure that they get their stamp, get their gift, and that is a great way to do business. So I'm off anyway. We're off to the next place, and we will be stopping if there's somewhere there that is in the book, and making sure that we get our stamp, get our gift, and enjoy the journey onwards after that. So I hope you found that useful. Think about how you can make your business that little bit more fun, because if you do that, you definitely get your customers coming back for more time and time again. See you soon.